All right, quick little review of my bolted on rack system for my Sprinter van. What a great system, what a great company. Customer service, communication, and innovation. Since I've had it, I've also added new pieces to it from the original rack that I just bought. When I originally bought it, I bought it as the 3 bike carrier. So it's got 3 spots, 3 bikes fit in the back of my van, no problem. I've done 2 dirt bikes and a street bike, or 3 dirt bikes, no problem. I've added the stools. The stools are totally awesome. They free up the whole zone in here, for gear, for changing, for whatever. You can buy the covers off Amazon or wherever, super cheap. And when the covers get nasty, you get new covers. The seats are adjustable. Been a huge plus with that too. The latest product is the fuel carrier. One of those things you didn't know you needed it until you got it. Holds the fuel jug in there totally perfect. Allows room for the tie downs. Everything's clean. No noise, no rattles, no nothing. Once again, what a great setup. What a great company.